If you ever get hacked by TikTok, here's how to fix it. Check this out. I got up at 5 in the morning and I noticed that I got an email from TikTok. It was saying my login was reset. That was 20 minutes before I even woke up to go to the gym. I tried to log on into my TikTok. I can't do it. I'm like, wait a minute, where's my account? Gone. Gone like a student on the last day of school leaving the school. Like, how you gonna hack a teacher? A teacher who's giving educational content on social media. Why would you do that? So in my frustration and frantic, I'm trying everything. I'm going to my other devices and I'm trying to see if they're still logged in, and 2 of them were. So now I'm trying to go in and change my password. Trying to change my phone number. Clicking on the support links. Everything is just quickly freezing and dying, and I cannot get to my account. The old me, I would have crashed out. Throw the whole phone away, throw all social media away. I'm sick of it. I'm going to get my account back. What did I do? I went to YouTube University to see if other people had been hacked before and how did they recover their account. Did I find any success there? Nope. So then I try to go to TikTok Community College, but I can't log in, so I can't actually access more than 2 or 3 scrolls. So I went to the one place where I know everyone has that answer. Where is that? Reddit. So boom, here's how I got my account back, and here's a reference for you in the future just in case you or somebody that you know gets hacked. If you're ever in this conundrum, this is that video. First thing I tried to do, tried to change my password, tried to go through and do all of the 2-step factor stuff after getting hacked. It doesn't work. It doesn't try at all. I went to TikTok, went to settings, I tried to report the problem. None of that worked at all. So I sat there frustrated. So I had to create a new account. I created a new account and then I went into the TikTok settings and reported a problem and then the login issue. What happens is that they will give you an algorithm or a bot chat. And when that bot chat pops up, this is where you give receipts. Screenshot all of the information. Add video in context, all of the information. Any and everything that you got the day that it was hacked, the day that you started your TikTok, the phone or tablet or device that you use to create your TikTok profile. All of that detail is needed in order to surpass the bots, the algorithm. So I got all of that data, all of those receipts, and I made a help ticket. I'm talking screenshots, I'm talking screen record, I'm talking email history, I'm talking the email that told me that my account was changed at 5 in the morning. All of that, screenshot pictures, even a video like this, where I was like, this is really me, today's date. All of that is what actually helps. When that didn't work, I went back on Reddit, going through all of the different Reddit groups and Reddit searches just to see if I'm missing something. Frustrated, I figured I'm going to fight fire with fire. And what did I do? I threw the algorithms back at the algorithms. I asked ChatGPT for the language used on the hacked accounts that were successfully retrieved. I also added words like firm and professional, but fair. You see, I needed the AI bots to get those keywords and phrases that would then trigger the system to look into my account. And guess what? It worked. I attached the same pictures, the same videos I done before, all the information earlier, the phone, the city, the date created, all of that stuff. I showed them exactly which day my last post was and which day was their first post in April at 5 in the morning. All of that happened, I showed it, but I also attached the AI ChatGPT language. After submitting that ticket, of course, the automatic reply came back from TikTok and I had ChatGPT revise that exact same email just in smaller words to make it look different. And then I replied to that AI bot. And then when they replied back, I revised that same thing and replied again. We went back and forth for like 5 straight days, once again, including those pictures, the video, the screencast, all of that. Here is the language and the keywords, the phrases that you will need to trigger the system to look at your account. The first one, I am the verified owner and can provide any proof necessary to confirm my identity. The second one, this situation requires immediate attention. The third one, please prioritize restoring my account and removing any unauthorized access. The fourth one, the hacker got access to my account without my authorization. I did not create or approve this account, this shop, this whatever they took. And I am concerned that my account's security may have been compromised. The fifth one, I kindly request that TikTok immediately removes the authorized TikTok link to my account or TikTok shop or TikTok showcase. I kindly request immediately that they secure my account to prevent further unauthorized actions. And then the last one, number 6. Thank you for addressing this matter promptly. Once again, in addition to the videos and the screenshots and the pictures, I made sure that I put this language in so it could then trigger the AI bots of TikTok. And guess what? It worked. After a few days, I got an email from TikTok, and TikTok sent a link, a little button that took me to reset my password, my email, and my phone link. Here's the key point. When they send that to you, that link is only going to be available for 20 minutes. And it tells you that it's only going to be available for 20 minutes. So as soon as I got that email, I locked in. And I suggest you do the same. My suggestion would be to go ahead and go ghost and not public. Put all of your stuff private until you can fix it. And that's exactly what I did. In that time, I had to delete all of the posts that this person was doing in my account. Had to delete all of their stories, all of their everything. And that took a while. And where am I now? I'm currently going through this exact same thing, this time with TikTok's shop. I'll keep you posted. Here's what I learned in it. This is the real talk. Protect what you build. Don't just give up on it. Protect what you build, whether it's your platform or your peace of mind or even your purpose. Guard it with your heart. Fight against those who try to steal your stuff, because that is your stuff. That is your name, your image, your likeness, your NIL. Protect it. And to chew on this, to be honest, some of us need to take that to our personal lives. There are some people who have been hacking our accounts, hacking our peace, and we may need to switch it up. We may need to do that two-way factor and get rid of some of our friends and just focus on our inner circle. There are some people who have been stealing your dream. You've been sharing your dream with them and then they steal it. We may need to change some passwords. And just like me, you may need to change some settings. Whether you move to a new city, whether you get away from a certain city, where you get away from a different crowd or introduce yourself to a new crowd. Make sure that you have that two-way tight factor so no one penetrates your peace of mind, just like they did mine. But don't give up. Fight back. Protect it, because it's yours. Chew on this.